Hello guys, I am Kanishkar. I am from Bangalore. Today we will see coding part 2 which is of sequences. When people hear about coding, they think why we need coding. The children or the kid who is able to understand the technology need coding. Having your child doing coding prepares their future. Coding helps us with communication, creativity, problem solving skills, and then writing skills, lastly, mathematics skills. So, today we can show the part 2. Come on, let us start it.
Sequence are very important, so you should learn it crystal clearly. The blocks you need are already in the working workspace but not connected. Order these blocks to collect the treasure and solve the puzzle. Now this girl should touch the diamond, so we should code for that. After moving forward, it will be in the place where my cursor is. Now the girl will be facing east side. She collected it. We have done it. Now we can go to the second activity. In this, the girl should collect 2 gems. The goal of us is 2 gems. Now we can start the code. She will be facing south now. Now she is in the point where my cursor is. Now let us see, will the girl collect the first diamond? Now we should collect the second diamond. It will be in the place where my cursor is. We finished the second challenge. Now let us go to the third challenge. What is going on here? Even if we put this in the right order, there will still be some missing. Use blocks from the toolbox to collect all the treasures. Now if we see the code already written, it's wrong. We should correct it. Repeat block is used to repeat the comment. Now it will collect the fourth treasure. Now we finished the third challenge. Let us go to the fourth challenge. We are in the fourth challenge now. It's time to get angry. This code has a lot of bugs. You will need to remove some blocks and add others. Bugs means errors in the coding. Let us see what is happening. The angry bird should touch the green pig. We can do the code correct. I'm sure it will work now. We have finished the fourth challenge. Let us go to the fifth challenge. The angry bird is telling that now help me sneak up on the pig any way you want to do. You can also go in the another way, but I'm going in the forward way. The links of these activities will be in the description box. After finishing it, give me in the comment section. I'm sure it will work now. Let me meet you in the next video. Bye.